something I want to mention, and there's a reason why I'm opening and mentioning these references. The great Imam, who is considered and remembered with this title, Mujaddid al-Afsani radiyallahu ta'ala. In his Maktubat, original Farsi Maktubat of Imam Mujaddid al-Afsani radiyallahu ta'ala, in the 123rd Maktub, which is of the Daftar-e-Sawm, third part of his Maktubat, there's something Mujaddid al-Afsani mentions relating to Huzur Sayyidina Ghaus-e Azam radiyallahu ta'ala, which illustrates the science of spirituality, the concept of faiz. You know this word faiz is spiritual blessings. This is not some superstitious notion or some abstract meaning that doesn't have a reality. It is a real thing that can be sensed with the pure senses, but you can't understand this from reading books. You only understand and appreciate this by the sohbah of awliyaullah. It's a real thing. It can be sensed if your senses are pure. Relating to this, Mujaddid al-Afsani radiyallahu ta'ala, who was a master of spirituality, a master of the Zahiri sciences, especially fiqh Hanafi. Some of his tahqiqat in the Masail of fiqh Hanafi are unique. I don't have time to explain these, but in his Maktubat, some of his tahqiqat on Masail. However, he says that the paths which lead you to the divine, which lead you, in reality they lead you to the divine. There are two types of these paths. The first type is related to Nubuwwah. Allah Tabarak wa Ta'ala selects His Anbiya, and then those people who get attached with the one whom Allah Tabarak wa Ta'ala has blessed with prophethood, they reach the presence of the divine. This is one. The other way, path, which leads to the divine is relating to wilaya. Is relating to wilaya. And it's the second concept that I'm explaining, the second pathway to reach the divine, which is also known as suluk. The fountainhead of the fountainhead of this second path, where all of the spiritual fuyuz and blessings flow from, in order to tread on this path, that fountainhead Mujaddid al-Afsani radiyallahu ta'ala says is Sayyidina Ali radiyallahu ta'ala. He is the fountainhead. That's the source of all the spiritual blessings that Allah and the Holy Prophet ﷺ have given, through which people gain those blessings and reach the divine. Mujaddid al-Afsani radiyallahu ta'ala says, after the physical time of Sayyidina Ali radiyallahu ta'ala, these blessings, this concept of fuyuz, these spiritual blessings were transferred to the Hazrat Hasanain radiyallahu ta'ala anhu. After their time, this alat tartib transferred to the Aimma of Ahlul Bayt. So anyone who wants to reach the divine has to gain faiz from this. But all of these faiz were being transferred. Then, after the time of the Aimai Ahlul Bayt, alayhimus salam, after their time, anyone who wanted the fairs had to connect himself spiritually with these Aimah. Up until the time of Huzur Sayyidina Ghaus-e Azam radiyallahu ta'ala. When his time came, all of those fuyuz of the Ahlul Bayt were directly transferred to Huzur Sayyidina Ghaus-e Azam radiyallahu ta'ala. Now, you can't go, you can't get that faiz from anyone other than Huzur Sayyidina Ghaus-e Azam radiyallahu ta'ala. And Mujaddid al-Sani, after mentioning this, he quotes a share of Huzur Sayyidina Ghaus-e Azam radiyallahu ta'ala. And this share is quoted by great ulama also in the Tafsir Ruhul Ma'ani, in the Tafsir of the Ayatul Tathir. Allama Alusi rahimahullah ta'ala mentions this share. Mujaddid al-Sani mentions this share. Great scholars have referred to this share. What's the share? Afalat Shumusul Awwaleen. Afalat Shumusul Awwaleena wa Shamsuna Abadan ala Ufuqil Ula ila Taghrubu. The sons of the people before me, those people who used to give fairs, those great individuals from whom fairs used to be given to the people, to the ummah of the Holy Prophet alayhi salat, afalat, all those sons have said, afalat shumusul awwalina wa shamsuna. Shaykh Abdul Qadir Jilani radiyallahu ta'ala said, he says, my son, abadan ala ufuqil ula ila taghrubu, forever is on the horizons of greatness. La taghrubu, it will never set.
Nare Takbir, Nare Risalat, Nare Haidari, Nare Ghausiyya, Fazane Huzur Qudwatul Awliya.
Mujaddid al-Sani, Allama Alusi, they all interpret the share of Huzur Sayyidina Ghaus-e Azam radiyallahu ta'ala, saying that that fairs which the Aimai Ahlul Bayt had, it's transferred to Huzur Sayyidina Ghaus-e Azam radiyallahu ta'ala. Those sons have said, now fairs is with me. Now these spiritual blessings are with me. You want to go to the divine presence, you can't go without me. You have to go through me. But inshallah, in future, we have this Al-Qudwa Institute. Our objective is that this Al-Qudwa Institute is founded and grounded in the teachings of Huzur Sayyidina Ghaus-e Azam radiyallahu ta'ala. What we preach here, what we teach here is the mission of Huzur Sayyidina Ghaus-e Azam radiyallahu ta'ala, whose flag bearer was Huzur Qudwatul Awliya radiyallahu ta'ala in his time, and now we carry on propagating that mission. And alongside ulum, one of the things of this day and age that we live in is people don't have an understanding of what spirituality is. They may know a few books. Remember one thing, Tasawwuf and Ruhaniya don't come from books. And this is someone who spent 20 years, and every single day, maybe there's a day where I don't read any book. In my bedroom where I sit, always books. Somebody who spent his life reading books is saying this. Ruhaniya is not in books. Ruhaniya is in the suhbah and nisbah with awliyaullah. It's a faiz. The spiritual blessings, they flow from people, not from books. They flow through hearts, not through the pages of books. This faiz, this spiritual blessings, you can read thousands of books, but don't think those books will give you this faiz.
Nare Takbir, Allahu Akbar, Nare Risalat, Ya Rasulullah, Nare Haidari, Ya Ali.
Now when I'm saying this, I'm not going against the study of knowledge. I've just told you for 20 years I've been reading, I continue to read and I will continue to read. But I'm talking about spiritual blessings. You need to sit in the sohbah of awliyaullah. You need to go into sajda and pray to Allah Tabarak wa Ta'ala, Ya Allah, take me to the awliyaullah. Because in every time, Rasulullah sallallahu alayhi wa sallam said, in every time there will be awliyaullah. The ones that are in this time, Ya Allah, take me to them. Beg Allah. It's only when you beg Allah in a desperate state that He does answer. This is His promise. Allah Tabarak.